जय जनेन्द्र
मेरे स्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोल दे याली मदद
मौलाली मदद बोलते हुए सारी फीजिए बंधुओं बोले कि सज्जन हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारा मैं
एंड ऑफ कोर्स माई सेल्फ फालतू रानी लेकर आपके लिए एक और ड्राइव टाइम शो देखिए आपकी थर्सडे वाली शाम को टोटली एक्साइटिंग एंड टोटली मस्तानी
बदजान ऑफ कोर्स आज बदजान मूड में आ गए हम लोग कि वी शुड एक्चुअली स्टार्ट सेइंग दिस and practice saying this actually.
Yeah.
कल हमने इलेक्शन के बारे में काफी सारी बातें की. I talked about all those things what's happening with elections. So Faltani, do you want to tell our bandhus about what happened yesterday?
What happened yesterday? Nothing has happened. We're still waiting, and it's going to be forever. अभी और टाइम लगेगा बंजान. The only thing is, you need to understand. अगर आप देख रहे हो that this president of the country who is undermining the electoral process and is undermining the entire constitution itself, constitutionally bestowed right upon every citizen of this country able to cast their vote. You'd have heard him say that it is a fraud, which is not. You'd have heard him say that that voting needs to stop, which basically is in counties in Pennsylvania and in Georgia, and both the counties or those areas largely African American who are huge Democratic support, and it is a race issue more than anything else. And this is the time when we need to come together as allies, Bandhujan, and make sure that we trend and we make our voice heard. That hashtag every vote counts. That's right, Bandhujan. Hashtag vote counts. He's so many hurdles in place to make sure that the votes are not being counted. And, where he's winning, there is no problem. But where he's losing, he's saying that he has won. Again, an erroneous claim he made today.
Well, anyway, Bandhujan, it's high time we actually are waiting to say this actually. For the past 7 months, matlab 233 days, we have been waiting to say this to even COVID for the matter.
Right.
Tata, bye-bye.
मौका
ही नहीं मिला even for Trump to say Tata bye bye. He's keeping us occupied.
Right.
And आज हम लोग decide किया कि we'll actually play songs totally on Tata bye bye.
Prepare कर लो भाई, तुम निकलने वाले हो, तुम्हारी छुट्टी होने वाली है. वो होने वाली है कि नहीं हमें मालूम नहीं, हम लोग predict नहीं कर सकते, कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन हमारे दिल में तो आपका छुट्टी.
Yes, exactly, Baldujan. And yes, आज of course we're going to be talking about Tata bye bye for our dear Trump. At least ख्यालों में हम लोग we can think of it, right?
Yeah.
तो कहते हैं कि जब कोई ख्याल में आ गया ना फालतू हो जाता है.
हाँ.
And that's what you want to happen also, by the way. Well, let me tell you, जा रहे हो इस महफिल में आपकी ही इनायत है.
जाओ इस महफिल से.
जा रहे हो इस महफिल से आपकी इनायत है. आज है जो कुछ भी है आपकी इनायत है. थैंक्स टू यू.
आपके बदौलत है.
Whatever, same.
Thank you. जो भी है.
Same.
आज COVID-19 के 231,900 and something deaths.
That's China. That's all China. The China virus.
Even in the number of deaths, we're leading. Nobody can actually lead in killing people.
And nobody can lose the way I lose. I lose really big time.
Yeah, whatever.
I don't think he ever says that, right? He wouldn't say that about himself.
No, he doesn't lose. He doesn't lose. Remember, he said that he doesn't lose.
Yeah, he doesn't lose.
And that's why he's been apparently very angry, Banjan. That's what everybody is saying, that he got so angry when Fox News called Arizona. He said nothing. Salah, I'm not going to let them. He made them rescind what they said.
Hey, but isn't that wonderful about him? That's what people appreciate. His resilience and his bulliness. Somebody actually posted on Facebook saying, "Oh, what a wonderful person." Only thing I could do was laugh. That's nothing else.
What? Who said about what a wonderful person?
Oh, you're such a wonderful thing, with all difficulties, you're resilient, you're this, that, all. You got to learn from you, all the stuff. Somebody posted.
Oh, God, there's
all I can do was just say laugh. Ha, ha, ha.
Yeah, what a pathetic.
And if you have to learn from that person, I don't think you have anything else to learn in the world.
Yeah.
But anyway, आज है Tata bye-bye, sayonara to all our dear Trumpsters.
So, yeah.
Because I'm not saying that we're not predicting. I think here's the thing. We're not saying that, how it was going to happen. We're saying that we feel that way right now.
Right.
Enough of all. I think it's enough, He's right. In a way, just declared Biden as winner and let it go, na?
Actually, he'll be, going away, he should actually redeem himself. It would
No,
be
no.
the best thing where, typically they say that, the going away president generally writes. Barack Obama wrote a note to Donald Trump. They write a note to the coming president about, to advise or whatever. Like, their good wishes.
Uh-huh.
They write. I don't think he's going to write anything like that for anybody. Well, does he know how to write, first of all?
Hey,
Kya?
that's not fair. He knows how to sign his name.
Yeah.
Okay.
Even that he doesn't know. Have you seen his signature?
Have you
I'll
seen
show
his-
you. Show you his signature.
In fact, yeah, we saw the president's certificates. No, yeah, we know.
Hey,
it.
dude, yeah, I got a certificate from him.
Faltoni is so happy she got a certificate from the guy.
yeah.
It's not something to be proud of, Faltoni, by the way.
That's true, Altama.
Yeah. Anyway, the point I'm making about the is we actually are talking about today is a show called Tata Bye Bye Thursdays. And yes, हमारे India में we always bring something together connecting to that, right?
Yeah.
And we're connecting Tata Bye Bye to this today, right now. And we're trying to excel this from our Indian cinema.
Right.
Right? So, evening, Deepak ji, कैसे हैं आप? Welcome Vishal ji to the show today.
विषय उठाते ही बोल दिया सायोनारा. क्या? सायोनारा.
मतलब टाटा बाबा पर शायद ना ओके ना वही बोल रहे हैं ना टाटा बाबा by the way Tata is not the Tata guy okay not the Tata mobile and all stuff Tata by the way is doing very good Tata actually has got a contract from Apple also to right now to manufacture stuff in India so it's about what Tata have what Tata is doing in India लेकिन आज हम लोग टाटा बाबा बोलने वाले हैं to all the troubles in our lives not all but one trouble in our life really major
Yeah. हमने सोचा कि let's get into the mood. Everybody start saying bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. We'll go. Actually, it reminds me of darling Pragna Kiddo. Bye bye. If she doesn't watch something, she doesn't like bye bye, bye bye. She'll
yes.
keep saying bye bye till
Until
you
that
leave her
person goes
alone.
away, yeah?
She'll make that
Wonderful.
person wonder. यार मुझे bye bye जाना ही है नहीं तो this girl will not stop. So she'll say bye bye, bye bye, bye bye.
Yeah.
So that's why we said okay today we'll do Tata bye bye Trump. So both of you are looking lovely. Thank you so much, Deepak Pandya ji. Very, very sweet of you for sharing that. So, Altamia,
Yes.
this the meaning of this is we are going to be playing all the songs which are farewell.
yes
जो बाय बाय बोलते हुए गाने हैं
Yeah.
ऐसे गाने नहीं लगाएंगे जहाँ पे हम लोग बोलेंगे अभी ना जाओ छोड़कर
no
कहीं भरानी
No,
भर
that is
गया,
not, that is
जाओ
not.
जाओ
it is actually Jao go
Yeah.
going so it shouldn't be like somebody asking them to go or somebody asking somebody saying I'm going by that also is fine
that's also fine
I'm going by also is fine
I am also going by
yeah
I'm going bye bye
I'm going bye-bye. That
Yeah.
also is good. Because that's what you want him to understand also, right?
Yeah.
He should know how to say bye.
huh
Yeah, so we're trying to train him. Because we know our POTUS actually listens to our show very frequently once in a
yeah
while. What? You didn't know?
very good okay I'll ठीक है ठीक
He's, I'm another guy, you know, right?
oh bye please don't say those things
Oh, bye. Yes, I'll not say those things.
yeah
But Falzani, what do you have as a going away song for Trump, if at all he's supposed to leave right now?
I don't know. Which is one of the songs. We can start with that. What's the song? चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना कभी अलविदा ना कहने कभी अलविदा ना we have to say कभी अलविदा चलते बोलते यार big deal no तो कहता है Dale क्या लगा
Did I say that, Falzani?
no I'm just asking
No.
हाँ
So I just think you should think of a nice song which actually about somebody leaving, right? Going. What could be a good thing?
Altu
Yes.
you can't say don't say kabhi that is in the song saying kabhi alvida na kehna
Uh-huh.
but you should play a song which is that alvida alvida
Oh, goodbye, yeah.
yeah कौन सा वाला गाना है एक वो कॉकटेल मूवी से एक गाना है यारियां दर्द भी है देती
Oy
नहीं
hoy.
but that's a song actually
No, man, I have a nice song for Alvida.
Okay.
You want to listen to it?
yes
It actually is from a very nice movie called, Life in the Metro. Have you seen the movie?
yeah Life in a Metro yeah, I've seen Life in a Metro
So-
yeah
Bidding goodbye to our POTUS 4 years. काफी सहा हमने
कैसे कहीं धीमे पाँव से जाने किस तरह किस घड़ी आगे बढ़ गए हमसे राहों में पर तुम तो अभी थे यहीं कुछ भी ना सुना कब का था गिला कैसे कह दिया अलविदा जिनके दरमिया गुजरी थी अभी कल तक ये मेरी जिंदगी लो उन बाहों को ठंडी छाँव को हम भी कर चले अलविदा 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 मेरी राहें अलविदा मेरी सांसें कहती है अलविदा 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 अब कहना क्या जब तूने कह दिया अलविदा सुन ले बेखबर क्यों आंखें फेर आज तू चली जा ढूंढेगी नजर हमको ही मगर हर जगह ऐसी रातों में ले गिरवटे याद हमें करना और फिर हार कर कहना क्यों मगर कह दिया अलविदा अलविदा कोई पूछे तो जरा क्या सोचा और कहा अलविदा 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 अब कहना और क्या जब तूने कह दिया अलविदा
And After Banjan, not a very interesting, I do understand, but Alvida Faltani, I want to say bye-bye to him that way.
Okay, fine, Altu Baba.
And क्या हुआ फाल्तू why are you saying this honky sound
मैं
की तरह?
बोलता
तेरा
रहे मैं
भरतनाट्यम ना सही में क्या बोलता रहूं क्या हाँ हाँ Banjan, now I'll tell you what, we actually are playing songs, we try and look for farewell songs, nice song bidding farewell to people. We want try saying that thing to us. Okay, 4 years, fine, you got a chance, you must have can, now leave us be, right? And but what happens is, it is too long. Well, if you look at it, it's not even taking too long. It actually is taking only the second day of counting. I don't know why we are so anxious right now, but we got all the stuff actually. I think, see, November 3rd was the election day, right? People voted. By November 3rd evening, everything came in. And our guys are doing a very, very good job of counting. They are counting all the votes. And they have to do it manually, I suppose. That's why it's taking a long time. And they're counting every single vote coming their way.
हाँ.
Just a few of them are taking a longer time. Nevada is still, like, dragging its feet. But they're doing it. They're doing it. Even if Nevada comes and says, yeah, it's for Biden, Biden wins it anyways.
हाँ.
Right? But I don't know why. I think they're trying to increase his blood pressure. They already know, I suppose. That's why it's not fair, man. That's why I think he said that he feels cheated.
हाँ.
The president said he's being cheated.
Yeah. Why is he feeling cheated, Altu Baba?
Because he's losing, no, that's why.
हाँ.
And he says that no, it's not fair for him to be, they're not letting him do whatever he wants. It's not fair. I totally agree with him, Fadhani. It's not fair. See, 4 years to give the child whatever they wanted, they can do for 4 years, and finally come back and you put strict, they'll really feel bad, right?
I know.
It's not fair.
Seriously,
It's
yeah,
not fair.
that's true. Not fair.
What? But I think people actually have a different sentiment for him as opposed to what the song which I played right now. It's a very nostalgic way of saying Alvida, right?
Yeah, well, you know what, Altu Baba? Just thinking about it, and if you're wondering, what am I so busy typing when I'm actually coming up with our Facebook status update? This is important. No matter what kind of human being जो भी है, प्यार के साथ विदा करो ना.
Uh-huh.
Why have any ill will? ठीक है, don't burn bridges. तूने क्या किया? जा मर लेकिन प्यार के साथ.
Yes.
Yeah, it really point in wishing that person, क्या कहते हैं वो, I think it's, you could say that sometimes your blood boils and you feel like, oh my God, what I really wish इसको उल्टा टंगा के मार सकती थी. Yeah, I feel that way about a lot. And but the most important thing is to make sure that you give a good, fair, and a bid due to everybody, regardless of what type of person that is, with a lot of pyar. ताकि वो जितना भी चाहे they can knock themselves to hurt you. Right, Altu?
That's true. That's true.
So इसीलिए ऐसे गाने लगाएंगे जहाँ पे कह रहे हैं लेकिन प्यार के साथ.
Yeah.
You know, it's not, because obviously we are Bollywood से हैं यार. हम लोग
Yeah.
हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में ऐसे ही होता है.
Correct.
तो वो कर रहे हैं हम लोग.
We have to play Thakela songs also. Thakela song में बनता है फालतू. Because Thursday का theme generally क्या होता है? Thakela होता है, लेकिन no, it's not that way. It's actually started by Thursdays. So we're playing songs which are actually unique. You wouldn't have heard of these songs sometimes.
Okay.
But some of you actually know these songs very well.
Yeah.
How about Bye Bye Miss Good?
Bye Bye Miss Goodnight.
Yeah,
ये
yeah.
क्या है?
ये अच्छा गाना है. साजन चले ससुराल.
Oh God.
हमारे साजन बने ट्रम्प चले ससुराल. I go ससुराल, right?
Yeah.
ससुराल is by the way.
Yeah, where? I thought that's Mikey.
Oh, bitch यार. Somebody's मायका, somebody's ससुराल. How about that?
Yeah,
किसी का मायका, किसी का ससुराल.
that's true.
Bye bye Miss Good Night, see you again. Bye bye Miss Good Night, see you again. कल फिर मिलेंगे तेरे मेरे नैन. Bye bye Miss Good Night, see you again. कल फिर मिलेंगे तेरे मेरे नैन.
दिल का करार तू मेरे दिल का चैन, दिल का करार तू मेरे दिल का चैन, कल फिर मिलेंगे तेरे मेरे नैन.
Bye bye Miss Good Night, you again. कल फिर मिलेंगे तेरे मेरे नैन.
And हमारे ये मैसेज आ रही है, ये क्या हो रहा है रेडियो पे? ऐसे कभी बजते नहीं है, लेकिन बचा दिया आज.
आइला.
Yes, फादर इधर टुडे बनता
अच्छा,
है.
अभी ये क्या हो रहा है? वाह वाह, केकी का गाना लगाया, उन्होंने कुछ नहीं बोला.
केक का थकेला गाना लगा, कुछ नहीं बोला.
ए,
लेकिन
केके
ये
का
गाना
थकेला.
सुनो, ये गाना सुनो, लेकिन फिर भी.
वादा किया है तो वादा निभाना, कल जल्दी आना.
यार क्या बात.
Hey, ये गाना है टाटा बाय बाय मिस गुड नाइट whatever, right? Yeah.
Yeah. My life coach schooled me on no exclusion. I passed it on to you guys. Yeah.
Well, there you go. That's why you're playing all these songs for you.
Yeah, that's why we played it.
और
just for you.
और बोलो inclusion.
चाहोगे जब तक मैं तब तक ना जाऊंगी, कुछ बिन कटे ना मेरे बिन रैन, कुछ बिन कटे ना मेरे बिन रैन, कल फिर मिलेंगे तेरे मेरे नैन.
Well, Bajan, I don't want to culpify this guy anyways. I hope today will be the day they decide. But actually, no, Faltoni, I got information about the fact that they're going to release Pennsylvania results only over the weekend.
Oh, really?
Saturday or Sunday.
Oh,
तो
wow.
कल एक और दिन रहेगा. Trump को actually he's got to feel that pain. They want him to feel the pain, I suppose.
Why? Yeah, they won't. He's not going to let them actually count. Yeah, Altu Baba.
Yeah, what do you mean let them? He actually is getting counted right now. I think they know they already declared as a Democrat already. They know it.
Huh.
Then release the results, I suppose. That was just bad, by the way.
Really?
Yeah,
That's true. Actually, that's true.
they
actually.
probably know that it's already Democratic.
Yeah.
But purposely to give him more pain, I suppose, they're doing that.
Huh.
Yeah. By the way, did you notice that he actually is on supplemental oxygen? Yeah, there's a conspiracy going on that he actually is on supplemental oxygen right now.
Who? Trump?
Uh-huh.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, they say that he's not keeping too well.
It's not a good. That's why I'm saying. You know what? Hey, छोड़ो यार, छुट्टी करो यार. Please go take care of your health, Mr. Trump. It's very, very important. हम लोग ऐसे ही नहीं बोल रहे हैं. We're not wishing you ill. We're telling you, really, take it easy.
Yeah, take it easy.
Take it
and
easy.
I'll tell you what,
policy.
when you're actually leaving, please make sure you have this kind of sentiment when you're leaving.
Huh.
Have a nice sentiment with people around you, right?
Huh.
And always make sure that you tell people like, hey, no worries, I'm going right now. You please take care of America and go.
Huh, huh,
That's still nice. Then at least that time you will not be so bad a president
huh.
in the history at least.
Right.
So he'll say, best president in the world, nobody can be as best. Don't do that.
Uh-huh.
Learn from these kind of songs. That's
Okay.
why we're playing songs for you guys, which actually you the particular ideas
Uh-huh.
or what kind of thing you can leave with.
Right.
So you can hearts. जाते जाते बोल दो जो भी यहाँ पे है illegally उन सबको illegal कर दो. Legal कर दो मतलब give them all green cards. or make pathway. Automatically, dua aayegi. Then afterwards, probably your daughter can come back to elections afterwards, and she can fight Kamala Harris in the next election term.
रही न रही हम महका करेंगे बनके कली बनके सबा बावे वफा में रही न रही हम मौसम कोई हो इस चमन में रंग बनके रहे खुराम चाहत की खुशबू यूं ही जुल्फों से उड़ेगी खिजा हो या बहार यूं ही झूमते और खिलते रहेंगे बनके कली बनके सबा बावे वफा में रही न रही महका करेंगे बनके कली बनके सबा बावे वफा में
And if you're wondering, oh my beautiful song, suddenly, yaar, we have a bunch of beautiful songs for sure. We just want to show what is the sentiment of the guy, but how he should be leaving actually.
No. This is the sentiment. I'll tell you, Banujan. I'll tell you.
Huh.
This particular sentiment is the sentiment of John McCain. This is the sentiment of native John Lewis. It is the sentiment of people like that, like Ruth Bader Ginsburg, the people who have left a legacy that we need to protect, Banujan. तो उनको भी अलविदा कहते हैं. तो ऐसे वाला लेगेसी मिस्टर ट्रम्प को भी छोड़ के जाना चाहिए, राइट? ना कि उसको खराब करे और या उनको नामे बुलाएं, like, you know, calling them names and saying I never liked this person, that person was like this and this person was like that. So आज हम लोग अलविदा कहते हुए कह रहे हैं कि ऐसे वाला लेगेसी छोड़ के जाना चाहिए, राइट?
छोड़ के जाना चाहिए, लेकिन जाएंगे क्या ऐसे ही? I don't know, but our hope is we can create this in the environment, in the universe, and it can kind of get imbibed in him.
Correct.
And he might say, okay, this is how I got to say bye bye to people.
Yeah.
महका करेंगे बनके कली बनके सबा बावे वफा में
Okay, हमारे फादर ने टेक्निकली पकड़ लिया यहाँ पे, तो प्लीज फादर with the people.
हम बोल रहे हैं कि अच्छे काम करके
हाँ,
अच्छा कर्म करो और उसका लेगेसी छोड़ो.
लेकिन अपना कर्म छोड़ के मत जाओ.
आहा, ये सुप्रीमेसी, ये जो सेक्सिज्म, मिसोजिनी, ये
हेलो,
सब जो
ये सब छोड़ के जा रहा है बंदा, because 70%,
हाँ.
70 million, no, sorry, 68.9 million people.
68.9 नहीं,
One
million
Actually,
people.
वो change हो गया फादर ने. I
नहीं.
got data on that actually.
अच्छा.
हाँ, 68.9, close to 70 million already, बोलो. हाँ रे बाबा.
तो बाइडेन का कितना हुआ? 72 मिलियन ना?
हाँ, 72 million है.
हाँ, ओके.
हम सही है ना?
कोई भी नहीं. I don't.
कोई भी नहीं बोले. गाना सुनो, मुझे लगी back out of this.
बनके सबा बावे वफा में रही न रही हम महका करेंगे बनके कली बनके
मस्ताना सारा जमाना हॉटीज का दीवाना जमाना का है सुन लो ये पापा मस्ताना सारा जमाना इसका दीवाना जमाना कहे सुन लो ये पापा मस्ताना ये सारा जमाना
Radio D Hotties, the best and hot Indian radio network in the entire world.
Mahima Creations
Proudly present Premier Evening Drive Time Show. Bam Bam!
yes you heard it right
Bam Bam! Every
Monday
Tuesday,
Wednesday
Thursday,
Friday let's beat the traffic
Bam Bam!
bye నమస్కారం
Namaste.
నమస్కారం
Vanakkam.
ఖుష్ ఆమదీద్
Assalamualaikum.
సత్ శ్రీ అకాల్
మీకందరికీ వందనము.
జై స్వామినారాయణ
జై శ్రీ కృష్ణ.
జై జనేంద్ర
మరి ఇస్మాయిల్ బాబను को बोल दे अलिमदाद.
मराठी में बोलते हुए सारे फीजी हम लोग बोलेंगे निशान बुला बन जाना और ट्रम्प को बोलेंगे प्यार से टाटा बाय बाय
Bye bye.
टाटा
Bye bye.
see ya don't want to be ya
That's exact.
I know
See, I want to be ya. That's true.
exactly but please
That's
don't
exactly
be
right.
like Trump please don't be hey, if you want to be a millionaire you saw a meme
I saw a meme.
where Liberty is launching him out in a diaper right
No mask.
Very good. Liberty is wearing a mask. Now she's trying to get rid of the virus.
Oh,
but I'll tell
God.
you what. There's something which Trump should understand. Actually, I'm going to play a song which actually should him. How about that?
अच्छे अच्छे गाने लगा रहा है तू.
हाँ.
नहीं वापस रह जा या रुक जा ऐसे ऐसे कुछ तो नहीं है ना.
No.
I hope not.
No.
It should be like अच्छा चलता हूँ, that kind of song.
Well, this is which I want him to have the sentence heart to say, okay, you know what? Don't go out like crying baby. Like this. This is what's important.
What? What?
I'll play.
हाँ लगा.
People know one thing in America. Thanks to all the comedians and all the shows,
हाँ.
everybody know Trump's voice.
Yeah.
This song totally will be for him totally.
नहीं आलतू ये क्या तू.
No, oh my God, Faltoni.
No.
I tell you what, Faltu, go ahead. I want you to play all the songs today.
Yes, I'm going to play the song.
Yeah.
ये इतने
But
अच्छे
here you
गाने
go.
लगा है.
Faltoni's got a nice song.
Altu is a closet Trump lover.
I totally
think.
like the guy. He's the
He's
supreme leader. Come on, he was the person who
Supreme
came.
leader.
He
God.
literally. Faltoni, I'll tell you
70
what.
people vote. 70 million. Sorry, correct. 70 people only voted for him. I think.
Faltoni,
They were all cool.
there's 70 million people, close to 70 million
No,
people.
they're not. 68.1. Okay, Altu Baba ज़्यादा नहीं
God.
बोलेगा.
Okay, Faltoni, I will prove it to you guys, Banujan, where I got the 70 million. Okay, Banujan, please stay tuned because right now I'm going to share a screen with you. Faltoni, please, okay, please open your eyes
Huh?
for a change.
Huh?
Faltoni, this is something which I'm getting you from Associated Press. Look at this number here.
Look at this number. What number here?
Look at the number here, Banujan. This
Show
actually.
me. I can't see.
I'll show you, I can't see. This actually is
Wait, I can't
data.
see. I can't
Data
see.
I'm picking directly from the Associated Press.
क्या? You're picking a beta from where?
Data from not beta, Faltoni. Please, what happened to you? Okay, this is actually data from Associated Press, Banujan. And look at the number right there, Faltoni.
I
It's
can't.
69.534.
That is still not 70 million.
The
That is
vote
half
count-
a million votes
Faltoni,
lesser.
when you can allow somebody to make it 68.1,
Yeah.
9.5 is a whole 1 million extra.
That is 1 day later.
That doesn't
As
matter.
Of yesterday
Faltoni,
to
I
60
always have predicted round figure only. I just said 70, close to 70 million
कुछ
people.
भी रहने दे.
Oh,
You
what?
are like, you
By
just
the way,
want to
oh,
prove
you
your
think
point.
the world is a better place because
I'll tell you-
we have 500,000 less bigots in the better
See, but-
place?
see, but-
Is the world a better place because you have 500,000 less bigots?
Yes. Yes, there are 500,000 more eyes. That's the way I look at it.
Well,
Who
no.
will stand up
These
against
people-
these 68.5 million
Faltoni,
bigots?
let me tell you one thing. There's 300 million people in America, right? Eligible 60% of the people are eligible to vote. 65% eligible
Look
to
at that.
vote.
73 million people have voted against.
Correct, Faltoni.
Which is a. Let's look at the positive, Altu. Why are you worried about the people who are
That's
voting?
because
That you get their
Altoni is the
mind.
classic, Spillian classic Trump over here because she's not accepting the fact that I was very close.
No, you're not.
Yes.
Oh, you're such a liar. My goodness.
I
You
said
changed
70
the-
million. You wanted to
No,
make
you
a.
didn't.
I just proved to you that where I got the number from, Faltwani.
No.
Right?
No.
No.
No,
Because she can't
yesterday it
accept
was
it.
61.
Why do you blame Trump because he says no then? You actually are behaving like him right now because you show the facts in front of you, you're not listening to me.
Okay.
Anyway, but that's
Everybody
fine.
knows who's
Aage
the bully
badhte-
here.
Huh?
Else who's the bully here?
That is why I'm keeping quiet, Faltwani, because they know you are the bully. I don't want them to feel bad about you. I'm a person who actually takes it like, okay, it's fine, understandable, you know.
Okay.
I sometimes give in because I know you want to win always. so
Yeah,
it's
whatever.
Okay, Faltwani.
Yeah, whatever, Alto Baba.
How about the songs? Waiting for songs right now.
You play. Rahe na rahe hum. You want to put the
No,
Alto
I'm not
Baba?
gonna play anything. The people are saying the best song for Trump is Bhag Bhag Milka Bhag.
Oh, yes.
Bhag Bhag DK Boss.
Yeah, it's true actually. Who gave that song?
Aditi. Aditi. What
Aditi.
kind of songs are you giving right now?
Awesome song. Hey, play man. Play. She's right. That's a perfect. Daddy mujhse bola. That's true. He told him.
That's very true. Good song. In fact, hey,
Wow.
you know what? This is sentimental for you, Trump.
Oh God, Aditi, what a classic song.
Yes.
Love you, babe.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Like that.
There you go. But this is a song Aditi is sending out to.
That's so true. Like, what is it? Beta tu to nikla keval jhaag. That's true.
That's true.
साबुन की शक्ल में बेटा तू तो निकला केवल झाग भाग भाग. That's true.
That's
Yeah.
So now, Merjan, even New York is saying, also New York, the whole America is saying Bhag Bhag.
Huh.
Hasif is taking him and catapulting out with the mask actually.
yeah.
Well, you know what has really disturbed me, Father? It is not a landslide, unfortunately.
What sort of landslide?
It should have been a landslide when kicking him out, right? Because people like him will just even think that also, oh, this one, I missed only the small thing. They cheated me. He'll go that way.
डैडी मुझसे गलती है मेरी तुझ पे जिंदगी गिल्टी है मेरी साबुन की शक्ल में बेटा तू तो निकला केवल झाग 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 भाग 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 ओ माय गॉड लग गई क्या से क्या हुआ देखा तो कटोरा झांका तो कुआं मिट्टी जैसा चूहा तुम पकड़ा तो निकला काला नाग 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 भाग 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 दी के बोस दी के बोस दी के बोस भाग भाग दी के बोस दी के भाग 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 दी के बोस दी के बोस दी के बोस भाग भाग दी के बोस दी के भाग अभी आई अभी आई अभी आई अभी आई भाग भाग दी के बोस दी के भाग 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 दी के बोस दी के बोस दी के बोस अभी आई
Push the both hogi term, Father.
Totally, I love this song. यार बदलू थोड़ा सा.
किसका माथा कैसे फूटा क्या पता
Bhaiya, we don't have a clue.
इतना ही पता है आगे दौड़े तो भला है पीछे तो
We are turning totally blue.
आंधी आई है संदेश लाई है भाग भाग दी के बोस दी के बोस दी के बोस
Bag, bag, trum, bag, trum, bag.
भाग भाग दी के बोस दी के बोस दी के बोस
Baga Trumpa.
अभी आई अभी आई अभी आई अभी आई भाग भाग दी के बोस दी के भाग
Bag, 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 bag. Yeah, Patajan, oh my god, this is where you got a bug off, I bet. Seriously, dude, I really wish, actually, that particular meme you showed me, right? Please share the meme with me because I want to share with all the bandhus out there.
Oh,
What a nice meme it is. Really want to put him in a mask, like a catapult, and go, put a on him.
that is true.
हम तो है कबूतर पहिए का एक सर जिंदगी जो ढके लो तो चले किस्मत की है कड़की रोटी कपड़ा और लड़की तीनों ही बाबर में लो तो मिले ये भेजा गार्डन है
और तू तो टेंशन है.
मन का दान पूरा फ्रस्ट्रेशन में छेड़े एक ही राग राग राग
Bag, bag, trum, bag, 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 trum, bag, 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 trum, bag, trum, bag.
भाग भाग दी के बोस दी के बोस दी के बोस भाग भाग दी के बोस दी के भाग
टीडी भाग, टीडी मतलब ना
हाँ
डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प.
बीजेपी.
डैडी मुझसे बोला तू गलती है मेरी,
Oh no.
तुझ पे जिंदगानी गिल्टी है मेरी. साबुन की शक्ल में बेटा तू तो निकला केवल झाग झाग झाग. भाग 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 के रोज भाग.
You know, I think when they finally declare Biden as a winner, right?
Yeah.
People will not be able to contain their happiness.
Huh.
There's going to be parties everywhere, I suppose. And unfortunately, that's when all the coronavirus is going to go up.
Oh really?
So please, Banjam, please be mindful. I can see all these things. People are going to get so happy that he's out of the office,
Huh.
they'll throw parties.
Huh.
Don't party. Wait. Once the vaccine comes, then we can party. When he gets, what do you call that? When he gets, when the government sues him, puts him behind bars, then we'll go party.
Huh.
It's possible. There is a possibility of the Democrats actually going
Think
after
about
him.
it, Banjan. There are outstanding lawsuits against him.
Yes.
There is criminal charges
And
that
because he is a president,
sitting president.
he has something called as immunity.
Yes. Exactly.
His own judicial, whatever the cronies,
Huh.
decided that they should be doing that. So they kept him safe. What will happen after he loses? That's why he's so scared.
Yeah.
That's why he won't leave the office, is what I'm thinking, Father. Okay, and next, Father, very nice song Aditi gave to us. What about you?
Aditi gave, even Anna Ji has posted something on Facebook. I can't read the comment. I don't know why the thing is not loading for me.
जाने वाले तेरा खुदा हाफिज.
जाने वाले तेरे को खुदा हाफिज.
हाँ.
Okay.
तेरा खुदा तेरे हाँ.
Ah, okay, very nice. Very nice. So here's what we're going to do. We are going to play. Actually, we are opening it up for you guys.
Hey, by the way, we want even the Trump toast to call us right now.
Yeah.
You're welcome to call us, please.
Yeah,
If you
and
feel
we
like,
have-
you know, taking us on and actually talking to us about it, let us. Our numbers are line open 408-912-247. Right here, we just changed the location of our numbering. Numbers right here, 409122479. You see that, right? That's the number. So give us a call here and we can talk to you guys. Yeah, Trump's is also welcome. Because we know you need quite all the love in the world right now.
Yeah.
Hello, namaskar. आपका हाथ से Pam Pam. Who's this? Hello.
पैम पैम
Ah, Pam Pam. कैसे हैं सर?
मन और चित्त अस्थिर है, बहुत डामाडोल है और अशांत है.
अशांत क्यों है? क्या हो गया?
Oh my God.
इसके जब फाइनल निर्णय आएगा तब अच्छा लगेगा ना. तो
It is
अभी
like
तक
this.
वो
Sir, देखो, I'll tell you what. Sometimes, no, कभी कभार मैं I'll give you a very good analogy, Faltwani. How about this? You know, I'm very well known for giving analogies people don't understand. Okay, so here you go. You know, कभी कभार हम लोग ना प्रणब जी कुछ ऐसे कुछ वे बात मतलब रास्ते पे और कहीं भी somewhere we go eat something very bad, right? And then what happens is the next day morning we have trouble, letting it out.
Oh God.
हाँ, but सबर करो, थोड़ा हमें भी तो मुश्किल झेलनी पड़ेगी, लेकिन बाद में चला जाएगा.
हाँ.
Our system will clean it up anyways.
हाँ.
जब निकलेगा ना
इतना रिलीफ.
ऐसे रिलीफ
चलो,
आएगा आपको.
भगवान से ये प्रार्थना है कि हम सब उसकी अपेक्षा कर रहे हैं वैसा हो.
हाँ हाँ.
और तुमने एक गाना बोला तो मुझे एक गाना याद आया, तो वो उसके लिए मैंने फोन किया.
प्लीज.
गाना पता नहीं तुमने सुना है कि नहीं. ये एक अमिताभ बच्चन की एक मूवी थी, बरसात की एक रात.
हाँ.
अमिताभ बच्चन की.
उसमें हाँ
हाँ.
अमिताभ बच्चन, राखी, अमजद खान थे. सो दिस इज वेरी नाइस बुलिंग सॉन्ग. तो ये मैं थोड़ा गा के सुनाता हूँ. उसमें ऐसा है, तो पे ध्यान देना. ओके, मैं बता दूं. मैं तो कौवा हंस की चाल चला लंगड़ा कर घोड़ा दौड़ा. कौवा हंस की चाल तंगड़ा कर घोड़ा दौड़ा. एक गधे ने कोशिश वो भी बन जाए घोड़ा. देखो ताल न टूटे हमारी चाल न टूटे. हमारी चाल टूटे देखो ताल न टूटे.
सर ये तो
अरे काली, नहीं सुनो उसके बाद लाइन.
हाँ.
अरे काली राम का खुल गया पोल, बीच दरिया फट गया ढोल.
ओहो.
हो गया का डब्बा गोल. बोल हरी बोल हरी बोल हरी बोल.
Isn't that Mahmood song actually, sir?
नहीं, ये मूवी थी बरसात की एक रात, उसका गाना ही है.
Okay, dokie, no
Wow.
problem.
ये मूवी रीमेक ऑफ बंगाली मूवी होगी,
Uh-huh.
बट दिस वाज या. तो ये बहुत
वाह
appropriate लगा।
वाह वाह, क्या गाना चुना अल्तुमा।
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड।
या वेरी गुड। या आप लोग कितने वो, या हम लोग सोच रहे हैं कि इतने प्यार भरे अलविदा वाले गाने हैं, हम लोग कैसे इसको लगाए कुछ ऐसा, लेकिन हाँ
लेकिन यहाँ पे तो काला कोई नहीं है, लेकिन बस ऑरेंज है।
हाँ
ऑरेंज
अरे,
लाल का खुल गया
वो
खोल।
उसका नाम है।
चीटोस, हाँ मालूम
तुम
मुझे,
उसको
मुझे
रख दो।
मालूम, पता लग गया,
संतरा राम कर दो।
पता चल गया। ओह, तो वेरी गुड। एंड ये अच्छा लगा, ये गार्ड डेफिनेट लगाएंगे, फालतू नहीं लगाएंगे हम लोग, क्या बोलते हो?
हाँ,
एंड
absolutely.
ये हमारी तरफ से, हमारे प्रणब जी की तरफ से, ये ट्रम्प के लिए।
अरे ऑन एयर मत बोलो।
क्यों इतना डरते हो यार? माय गॉड।
अरे डरते क्यों, वी स्टिल अ फ्री कंट्री,
अरे बाबा डोंट वरी यार,
स्टिल अ फ्री कंट्री।
अभी भी हम जैसे लोग हैं यहाँ पे सर।
सर आप सोच के देखो, वी जस्ट सेइंग इन द इवेंचुअलिटी इफ
हाँ।
इट डजंट हैपन तो ठीक है, क्या फर्क पड़ता है।
Yeah,
बस
exactly.
एक 4 साल के बाद फिर से चला जाएगा, तो अभी से प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं,
वैसे भी कोविड का बहुत सारा इसका इम्पैक्ट है ऑलरेडी।
उसको यूज तो करा रहे हैं कि यार तेरे को हम लोग प्यार दिखा देंगे, कोई
हाँ,
बात नहीं,
correct.
निकलने
लेकिन
की
सर,
तैयारी कर।
एक सुपर ही डुपर मीम लगाया मैंने एक्चुअली, इस पे फीड पे जाके चेक कीजिएगा, अगर आप फेसबुक पे तो चेक कीजिएगा, बहुत अच्छा मीम हमारे फालतू ने मेरे साथ शेयर किया है, तो मैं यहाँ पे डाल दिया है। दिस इज एग्जैक्टली आवर सेंटिमेंट्स राइट नाउ
हाँ
ऑफ व्हाट्स हैपनिंग विद इलेक्शंस एंड एवरीथिंग। प्रणब जी, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कॉलिंग।
थैंक यू सो।
ओके, थैंक यू।
एंड फीड चेक कीजिएगा, डेफिनेटली, ओके?
फेसबुक फीड देखिएगा, आपके गाने के
अच्छा, okay.
बैकग्राउंड में ये आएगा।
या एंड ये बलजान लीजिए, आपके लिए पेश है ये पर्टिकुलर शुड आई से ब्यूटीफुल गाना, राइट?
या ओके।
कालीराम का खुल गया पोल।
हे कौवा हंस की चाल चला लंगड़ा कर थोड़ा थोड़ा, कौवा हंस की चाल चला लंगड़ा कर थोड़ा थोड़ा, एक गधे ने कोशिश की वो भी बन जाए घोड़ा, देखो ताल न टूटे हमारी चाल न टूटे, ओ देखो ताल न टूटे हमारी चाल न टूटे, देखो ये चाल न टूटे, चाल न टूटे, डुम 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 डुम। अरे काली राम का खुल गया पोल, बीच बजरिया फट गया ढोल, गया उसका डब्बा गोल, बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल, बोल हरि हरि बोल हरि बोल, जिसका काम उसी को साझे और करे तो ठेंगा बाजे, काली राम का खुल गया पोल, बीच बजरिया फट गया ढोल, हो गया उसका डब्बा गोल, बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल, बोल हरि हरि बोल हरि बोल। बिना टिकट के मुफ्त में हमने देखा खेल ये सारा, बिना टिकट के मुफ्त में हमने देखा खेल ये सारा, पीकर भांग किसी चूहे ने, हाँ भैया पीकर भांग किसी चूहे ने शेर को जा ललकारा, ये तो वही हुई जी, ये तो वही बात हुई जी, छोटा मुंह और बड़े बोल, काली राम का खुल गया बोल, बीच बजरिया फट गया ढोल, हो गया उसका डब्बा गोल, बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल, बोल हरि बोल हरि हरि बोल।
या बाय द वे लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग, अभी तक कुछ रिजल्ट ऐसा नहीं आया जाके हम 100% बोल सकते, लेकिन इंडिया दे रहे हैं हमारे ट्रम्प जी को जाने के लिए, थोड़ा वो भी इंस्पायर हो जाए ना, इसलिए अच्छा है, राइट फालतू?
दुर्गति नाशिनी, अरे इस मोटे को समझाओ, दुर्गा माता से भी है इस राक्षस को छोड़े, दुर्गा माता से विनती है इस राक्षस को छोड़े, ये मोटा महिषासुर जैसा इसकी गर्दन तोड़े।
Did you notice the word is false?
Yeah, no, I didn't.
Oh
Although,
my
sorry.
God! सुनो,
इस राक्षस कोड़े, ये मोटा महिषासुर जैसा इसकी गर्दन तोड़े, हे देवी माँ ले इसकी जान, हे देवी माँ ले इसकी जान, है ये बलि अनमोल, काली राम का खुल गया पोल, बीच बजैया फट गया ढोल, हो गया उसका डब्बा गोल, बोल हरि बोल, बोल हरि बोल, बोल हरि बोल, हरि बोल। अरे बाजी हारा ये बेचारा, अरे शर्म का मारा। जाए रे जाए कोई इसको घर तक छोड़ के आए,
फ्लोरिडा जाना पड़ेगा।
जाए कोई इसको घर तक छोड़ के आए, तू भर पानी में कहीं ये डूब के ना मर जाए। जिसकी अजी इज्जत गई, जिसकी अजी इज्जत गई, उसका रहा क्या मोल। काली राम का
फुल गया खोपोल।
बीच भजैया फट गया ढोल, हो गया उसका डब्बा गोल, बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल, बोल हरि बोल हरि।
And of course, go Hari, go Florida, go home.
अरे this is so man.
Apt song, I understand. And of course, yes, हमारे ट्रम्पस्टर्स जो भी हैं, जो ट्रम्प के ब्लाइंड फॉलोअर्स हैं, अगर आप अपना कान खोल के हमें सुन सकते हो तो कॉल कर सकते हैं, लेकिन कान कहाँ खोलते हैं आप लोग? दिमाग
Right.
कैसे खोलते हो आप? The thing is, call us anyways because we want to hear your part also. If you have a song which we want to play for Biden, go ahead, send it to us. We'll love to play victory songs also sometimes.
Okay.
We'd love to play victory songs also sometimes.
हाँ.
क्या हुआ फालतू? किधर preoccupied? सब ठीक है ना?
मैं सब ठीक है आलतू बाबा अभी.
मैं सब ठीक है नहीं, सब ठीक है ना पूछ रहा हूँ मैं.
हाँ.
हाँ, सब ठीक है?
हाँ सब ठीक है.
तो क्या रे फालतू? What is this?
मुझे एक ईमेल आया अभी इसीलिए सॉरी.
हाँ देखा वही
तो
होता
मुझे
है.
स्पॉट पे लगाता है आलतू.
स्पॉट की बात नहीं, तू काम कहाँ
है
करती है यार? तू इतना लेक्चर दियो. हो क्या क्या गाने? फाइनली बंदूलों जो गाने थे वही लगा रहे हैं मैं एक्चुअली. राइट? तू अपना बोलना क्या गाना था तेरे पास? क्या गाना था?
मेरे पास जो अच्छे अच्छे गाने थे यार, सैड गाने थे, अलविदा वाले गाने थे, वैसे गाने. लेकिन ऐसे गाने क्या मस्त रहते हैं, राइट? These are the kind of songs that need to be in place. So,
हाँ, and then?
yeah.
और कुछ?
और कुछ क्या? और कुछ क्या?
Oh my God, what do you mean? अरे आगे बोलना क्या गाना लगाना पड़ेगा? You said you had a bunch of songs to play. I'm waiting for you to
Yeah,
play.
I have another song, Altu Baba. This is let's see.
Yeah, I'm seeing. I would love to see. Listen to
ये
this one.
गाना हम लोग बोल रहे हैं कि वो एक मूवी है कभी अलविदा ना कहना.
हाँ.
ओके.
हाँ.
लेकिन वो इवेंचुअलिटी को एक्सेप्ट करता है, राइट? तुमको भी है खबर, हमको भी है पता, हो रहा है जुदा दोनों का कारवां.
Oh my
यू एंड अमेरिका. या दूर जाके तुम मेरे यादों में रहना. हाँ, लोगों कभी नहीं भूलेंगे उनको कि ऐसा चाल, ऐसा ये क्या हमारे साथ बर्ताव क्या इतने लोगों के साथ. बट one thing I have to admit, right? Yeah, I think it is also the work of art, because this is one thing, we should give the devil its due, right? Where it's due. For students' disabilities, IDEA Act जो है बनजान and the Autism Cares Act, ये दोनों Donald Trump, only him, there have been the congressmen and senators, and the work was going on for several years. When he assumed office, he signed the Autism Cares Act. That's one. Second that he did was the IDEA, right? जो भी मतलब special education का law है. The first thing that people were afraid was they're going to make cuts to special education, and they're going to actually say that students with special educations can take waivers. Many districts were trying to ensure that there will be waivers in place. This is one thing that we will give you, Mr. Trump, that your administration got it right. But there were a lot of other things that they didn't get right, where there was marginalizing African American kids in special education classrooms. There was a lot of marginalizing of Hispanic American kids and children from. There was a lot of that kind of nonsense was going on. But these two things, you have to give it to him. The Autism Cares Act which that started under the Obama administration, but it got signed by Trump eventually, and which raised the minimum wage, right? So not be paid sub minimum wage kind of thing for people with disabilities. And the other thing is with regard to special education. During this pandemic, they said nothing should change. All the services and supports need to continue as normal for students with disabilities. So this is what he really protected. But otherwise,
He was asked about it. He said, "Did I do it? Yes,
Yeah.
I did it. Yes, I must have it."
no, but you're going to give the devil its due where it's due, right? So,
Hey, I'll tell you, you guys are missing a biggest point right now. You have to thank him. If not for him, this particular 69.5 million people wouldn't have come out of there, shell. Now you know people's true colors, right? And now you know where the work has to happen.
right.
Yeah, the discussion has to happen with these 69.5 million people
Okay.
who voted for him, and talk to them about what racism is.
Really? You think they care?
No, that's what we got to find
you
out,
really
right?
think they care?
Yes, we have to talk to them. Father. Just because if you say, "Oh, they don't care," leave it. You're actually becoming less than them.
Alto Baba,
You have to have
it is
discussion
so
with them.
inherent and it is so systemic that it doesn't even occur to them that this could be a inherent race in place.
Yeah, correct. So that's what racism stems from lack of awareness. That's why I say talk about the discussion, bring them to discussion, talk to them, engage them in conversation. That's why do you think I'm asking all the Trumpsters I don't give us a call right now? I want to open their mind. I want to open these things which have not thought of it, right? Because there's one way of living and there's one way of not living,
Huh.
right?
Huh.
But Gana, Faltani, tera Gana bajega.
Huh, laga.
Here you go.
तुमको भी है खबर, को भी है पता, हो रहा जुदा दोनों का रास्ता, दूर जाके भी मुझसे तुम मेरी यादों में रहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, भी अलविदा ना कहना.
Hi, good morning. Good morning. I'm going to be a new teacher from today. My name is Maya. My name is Maya. जितनी थी खुशियाँ सब खो चुकी है, बस एक गम है कि जाता नहीं.
समझा के देखा, बहला के देखा, दिल है कि चैन इसको आता नहीं, आता नहीं.
आंसू है कि है अंगारे, आग है अब आँखों से बहना,
कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, रुत आ रही है रुत जा रही है, दर्द का मौसम बदला नहीं।
रंग ये गम का इतना है गहरा, सदियों भी होगा हल्का नहीं, हल्का नहीं।
कौन जाने क्या होना है, हमको है अब क्या क्या सहना।
कभी अलविदा,
कभी अलविदा ना कहना,
कभी अलविदा ना कहना।
तुमको भी है खबर, मुझको है पता।
हो रहा है जुदा दोनों का रास्ता।
Oh my God, Faltani, sentimental to die. You never know. Trump might come back after this.
No, he won't.
He might
He'll
get
actually
sympathy.
say bye.
He might get sympathy counting. You never
No,
know.
he won't get sympathy counting.
What?
यार लोग कहते हैं कि how can you hate somebody with a I don't hate, yeah, it's too much energy to hate.
Oh my
Too
God.
much energy to
We
hate.
don't know. Think of you, Faltani. What are you?
What I
You're so much, once you're like totally like a thing and suddenly you're like a saintly personality. My God.
nobody is
You're not a
nobody
saint?
is one particular thing,
Saying
right?
she's not a saint. Okay.
I'm not a
understand.
saint.
Yeah.
Everybody has a different them. Everybody does. Every single person. Bandhuja.
Even Trump, Faltani has a good side to him.
I'm pretty sure he does.
Yeah, the front portion only.
I'm pretty sure
The
he
side
does.
you can make out is like a balloon.
I don't know if you've seen this. I'm not going to comment on anybody's physical attributes.
But
Altu
he's
Baba,
got a
that is
childlike,
not
he's
right.
got childlike, Faltani,
Oh
please.
God!
Innocent smile.
Altu, stop,
Oh my
stop,
God,
stop,
women go
stop,
hard
stop,
on him.
Stop, stop, stop. Oh,
What?
oh.
Yeah, he said it himself.
Anyway, yeah, he women gaga on him.
Yeah, he said himself, right?
Yeah, that's why he said he doesn't even ask. He just goes and kisses them.
Correct.
There
but
are
now,
19
Faltani,
cases.
who are you influenced right now? You're like
I'm-
literally you're hating him so much, and you say I don't hate also. Sometimes I feel you are totally like counter to whatever you say. But it's nice though, good
Do
at
you feel
least.
better about
No,
yourself,
I don't,
Altu Baba?
Faltani, I
You do,
don't.
you do. That's
I
all.
don't.
That's all
Faltani,
you can do.
I feel best about myself, Faltani.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
ठीक है. All right. So next क्या है? What do you have next? Altu Baba?
I'm waiting for you to play the next Alvida song for us.
See,
Faltani.
Altu Baba, Trump का D-Day आ गया.
Ah,
हाँ, D-Day से एक गाना है.
उसका नाम ही डोनाल्ड है ना?
डे आ गया. हाँ, डोनाल्ड डे आ गया, which means D-Day आ गया कि that is doomsday.
हाँ.
कि भैया चलो घर चलो. घर चलो मतलब नॉट द व्हाइट हाउस, तुमने घर चलो जहाँ पे मारा लागो ताकि लगाओ अपना डेरा एट व्हाइट हाउस. तो उस मूवी से एक गाना है कॉल्ड अलविदा.
Nice.
Yeah, it's a sad song. I don't know who, श्रुति हासन और उसका नाम क्या है, अर्जुन रामपाल पे फिल्माया गया है.
इरफान खान भी है इसमें.
अच्छा, I haven't seen this movie though.
Neither have I.
Yeah,
But anyway, after this particular thing, Shankar Sound Live music है. निरंजन अयंगार का lyrics है निरंजन.
yeah.
जाने कैसे रिश्तों से बिखरे हैं ये पल.
That's right, पंजान कितने रिश्ते टूट गए.
I know, Honeypally fired.
Yeah.
मानो जैसे गम की पलकों से छलके हैं ये पल.
हमें मालूम है बंधुजान 4 साल कैसे काटे हैं.
क्यों अधूरी ये कहानी,
पूरा कहाँ होने दिया ट्रम्प ने.
क्यों अधूरा ये फसाना,
कहाँ होने दिया मिच मैकॉलन ने.
क्यों लकीरों में इसके अलविदा.
वोटर्स ने कहा है, हमने नहीं.
उम्र भर का साथ दे जो क्यों वही प्यार हो. क्यों न मिट के जो फना हो वो भी प्यार हो. ना अधूरी ये कहानी, फसाना, मर के भी ना हम कहेंगे अलविदा।
बैरिया मेरे रब्बा क्यों हुआ मेरे रब्बा, यूं ना ढावी यूं ना ढावी, तो दिला दी ये कहानी।
मिट भी जाऊं ना मिटे ये कैसी प्यास है, दूरियों में खो के भी तू मेरे पास है,
क्योंकि तू मेरी कहानी, क्योंकि तू मेरा फसाना, अब कभी फिर ना है कहना अलविदा।
तेरी यादों को सहलाता हूँ पल में बन के बिखरता हूँ, जिस जहां में खो गई हो तुम, क्या नहीं है वहां टूटी तन्हाइयों का गम।
बैरिया मेरे रब्बा क्यों हुआ मेरे रब्बा, यूं ना ढावी तो दिला दी ये कहानी।
जाने कैसे टूटे रिश्तों से बिखरे हैं,
ना कहना
मानो जैसे गम की पलकों से छलके है ये पल,
अलविदा।
क्यों अधूरी ये कहानी।
अलविदा।
And I've come and trying to hope that we get a
He will
chance. to
finally
Alvida.
see that.
You should actually we get the opportunity to tell that to him, man. Seriously.
Yeah.
You want to tell him to go? Bye. Thank you. You know.
अरे यार बेचारे
Hey, but I just want to know all the particular wall he's built across White House. What's going to happen to that dude? Who? It'll be broken down. Is it? It'll be kept.
it is paid taxpayer dollars. Hello boss.
That should be recovered from him. I tell you, people should send him a bill.
जहाँ पे भी वॉल लगा है ना पूरा उसको
They should send a bill to him. He should pay for it because why can't we the people? It's our money, right? Why
Yeah.
can't America come together and say no, we're not going to pay for this, or we want him to pay for it? Because
You think he will pay for anything, Altu Baba?
nothing.
इतने लोग हैं जो कॉन्ट्रैक्टर लोग उस दौलत काल हो गए. Like you know he declared bankruptcy. That's the whole thing, right? So many people when he was running for the first term, कितने people came forward to say how their lives were ruined. some कुछ लोगों की को stroke हो गया, मौत हो गई. I mean, people where when somebody thinks, oh, Trump holdings and they're going to pay me, they'll take on the job and they'll do poor things. The moment guys and the small businesses,
Yeah.
sabhi ko lagaya na usne shendi. He
Tell
just
him.
kept like he'll use and he'll throw basically, and they would not pay them. They declare bankruptcy. People would have accounts receivable, right? बेचारे लोग क्या करेंगे? इतना ज़्यादा accounts receivable कहाँ से पैसा भरेंगे?
Yeah, I gonna get what
And
you're
their
saying.
businesses shut down, families shut down हो जाती हैं. So it's really sad. Anyway, some of the story if you listen to Banujan, you got to Anyway, I'm sure there'll be a movie about this, and in that also there'll be a book that'll come out, his version of it.
Yeah.
And that also he'll make a lot of money.
Because 69.5 million people voted for him in the speculative elections.
So at least 60.5 million copies.
Those people don't read.
Oh, that's true. That's actually true.
If those
That's
people had read Faswani, were well read,
Ha.
they would understood what's happening around here.
Correct.
Sorry guys, I don't mean to be the kind of blackest image now I'm making. But anyway, the point is that, right, they didn't make educated guess.
Well, हमारी ज्योति अरोड़ा जी कह रही हैं फिर नहीं मिलेंगे. गाना कौन सा है ज्योति जी? कॉल करके बताइए 4089122479. दीपा जोरापुर पैम पैम टू यू. कौन सा गाना आप डेडिकेट करना चाहोगे? फेयरवेल गाना हमारे प्रेसिडेंट जो है, जो नॉट इलेक्ट है अभी, तो आपको कॉल करके बताना है 4089122479. अभी इट्स इन अ लिम्बो, राइट? क्योंकि टेक्निकली द पीपल हैव वोटेड एंड वी आर वेटिंग ऑन द काउंट बिकॉज हैशटैग एवरी वोट काउंट्स एंड एवरी वोट नीड्स टू बी काउंटेड एट दिस पॉइंट इन टाइम. Hashtag voter suppression will not work. So please call in. We'd love to hear from you. 408-912-2479. एक बार और स्टूडियो का नंबर नोट 0911224 हमारे जो प्रेसिडेंट इन चीफ ये जो है, उनको बाय बाय टाटा बोलने के लिए आप कौन सा गाना डेडिकेट? 408-912-2479.
तू भी मुझे भूल जाना, मैं भूल जाऊंगा.
हाँ, भूल जाएंगे, नो वरीज. बाय बाय टाटा.
अब के गए घर से जो तेरे फिर ना लौट आऊंगा. तू भी मुझे भूल जाना, मैं भी भूल जाऊंगा. चलते चलते करता सलाम आखिरी, रब से अब तो मांगू बस दुआ यही, हम फिर ना मिले कभी, हम फिर ना मिले कभी, हम फिर ना मिले कभी, फिर ना मिले कभी. मुझको डर है मेरे गम कम ना हो जाए. अनजाने हैं दोनों यारम ना हो जाए. जीना सकूं तन्हा ये आलम ना हो जाए. अच्छी है मेरे लिए तेरी कमी, तू आसमां है और मैं हूँ ज़मीं. हम फिर ना मिले कभी, हम फिर ना मिले कभी, हम फिर ना मिले कभी, फिर ना मिले कभी, हम फिर ना मिले कभी. एहसास ना हुआ कि जुदा होने लगे. देखो हंसते हंसते हम रोने लगे. क्यों बेवजह मैंने इस इश्क को छुआ. पागलपन था मेरा वो जो कुछ भी हुआ. तेरी गली में मुझको जाना नहीं, तू याद मुझको अब आना नहीं.
but exactly what people are saying. Hum fir na mile kabhi.
Exactly.
Trump ja abhi ke abhi.
Well,
Nikal ja abhi ke abhi. You know, I think what we should do is, right, everybody should get on social media.
Huh.
And each of us should record a group unisync
Yeah.
which says you are fired.
That's what I was saying.
And play it when the results are announced.
It'll be so cool if we had a march. Okay,
Yeah.
wait. Physically distanced march, yes. But it'll probably cover all of Pennsylvania Avenue, Bandhujan. And those of you who are not aware, who are watching us from other parts, 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue is where the White House is, right? So let it go, stretch all the way to the Washington Monument. It's fine. So the march should have more than the number of people who attended his inauguration.
Obviously, will be.
It will be. And who attend a women's march, okay, the Black Lives Matter movement march.
We probably
Everybody goes.
We probably will have 300 million people there.
Yeah, maybe. Everybody goes.
Including the people who actually voted, who actually were, who deceased.
Yeah. So I posted the picture that everybody goes and they stand with one voice. Everybody chants.
You
No.
fired.
Donald J. Trump. After 4 years, we're sorry to say, we're not sorry to say, you're fired.
Yeah, and they should just say it once.
That's the way he says it. Fired.
They should say it only once.
No, he'll do this. You're fired. Have you seen his Celebrity
No, I
Apprentice?
haven't. I never saw it. I don't want to see it also, by the way.
Yeah. You're fired.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then everybody in one voice, you're fired.
That's it.
That should be the chant.
And this should not be a chant. It should just be one thing they should say, and that will be the biggest impact. If you make it like a chant, you are fired, it doesn't make sound. It's just one thing we say. No, you are fired. That's it.
That's
There'll
it.
be a nightmare for people to actually see. It's not going to happen, but don't worry. Probably the militia is going to come and disperse all the machine guns.
Well, exactly. He's already, what's his name? That Donald Jr. guy. And there's Eric Trump, another one who actually did a fake video of people burning 80 ballots, it seems.
Whoa.
It was proven. It became actually where
Seriously, man,
now
seriously.
that's actually the truth. For those who don't know, please go check.
Yeah.
That it was a fake video that he released. And it was again another non-conspiracy that was shown. And oh wow, the people of Georgia, you guys have voted a QAnon conspiracy theorist as one of your representatives in the House of Reps. Bhai, seriously, kahan se see, the thing is, many people think ki, okay, why should they hate Donald Trump? He's a maverick. He speaks his mind. Great. Perfect. Whatever. It is not Donald Trump the individual. It's what he represents.
Wah,
Marjan.
Falsani, wah.
It is not that one particular person. It's everything that he represents. And the 68 point, kitna bola tu? Le.
69.5. 69.5.
69
And change.
69.534 जो भी है million people.
Exact number, Fatrani?
No, not
I actually
necessarily.
have it.
I don't need it because take comfort in the fact that there are 70 million people who showed up for, Joe Biden or showed up against him. So it's not Donald Trump. It's everything that that he symbolizes, which is basically narcissism, bullying, exclusion, racism, and all of these things. It is not him. It's an institution, and it is institutional across the board, Banjan. Every single person you talk to has experienced some form of institutional racism or some form of systemic racism or sexism. No, men, you cannot comment on this because it is something where people discriminate based on gender and disability. Till you are in that position, you can never empathize.
Oh my
Right?
God.
How can somebody ever empathize if they're not a woman?
No, they can't.
How can you empathize if you don't have a disability?
Yeah.
You can attempt to empathize, but you can't understand totally what is going through that person.
Yeah, of course.
Right?
Yeah.
So, that is what we and that's what has been this past, the whole, now again, this whole thing about voter suppression and complete disregard for constitutional, for the Constitution of America and for the liberty people. क्या है? Right?
Yeah, I totally agree with Fatrani.
राइट क्यों सडनली चुप हो गया जब भी मैं इसके बारे में बात करती हूँ आलतू मैंने बोला ना आलतू बाबा उसका क्लॉसेट लवर है टोटल क्लॉसेट टेरर ऑफ डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प राइट
तू
आलतू
जो बोले को
69.5 मिले मेरे को करेक्ट करता है बाप रे फिर से करेक्ट करता है
नहीं, that's okay. You are feeling, I don't want to, okay, fine, mother. If you have a contrarian stake, you need to always contradict whatever I say. But whenever you say something, I have to agree with you. So I'm agreeing with you.
I
It's
can't.
okay, it's okay. Understand me, Faltu.
You agree with me every
Ricky,
time.
we're coming to a show, end of our show right now. What is the song, going away song you have for all the people out there of America? Come on, let's see what you're going to say.
I don't know, Altuma, but TTFN, Tata for now, is
Tata
what
for
we're going
now.
to say.
Okay.
But I don't. What song do you think we should leave it with?
Uh-huh.
Leave. There is a song called Akhri Alvida from
Uh-huh.
Shootout at Lokhandwala. I don't
Oh.
know. You might have heard the song. I'm asking you. Is it a good song?
Yeah, he definitely is. Anything with Alvida right now at this special moment in time is good.
Okay, there's that, or we can leave it with Yariya, whichever you want. But the Yariya is a sad song where people are saying, there is good things about. It's not a Yari, right? You're a Yar.
No. This also, Akhil Vida also is something in that range,
Oh really?
Yeah, it's saying final adieu.
That's true. तो तेरे दिमाग में कुछ और था हाल
मेरे दिमाग कुछ नहीं है, बात में अभी खाली है.
अच्छा. Well, Banisha, either ways, attention नहीं लेने का, बस देने का.
Yes. Now signing off with Inspector Sambajan telling, come on, yaar, khatam karo, Trump. Just resign and say, okay, fine, done, yeah, okay, Biden, you won it.
Actually, he should resign.
That'd be nice.
हाँ.
Then we can file a lawsuit against him.
नहीं यार, ऐसे नहीं बोलने का. बस हाँ, बोलो कि बहुत हो गया, मैं से नहीं बर्दाश्त होता. ऐसे करके रिजाइन कर दो, चलेगा.
Got cheated.
हाँ.
But he's a sore loser, man.
That's
He
true.
has to come back and he's got to poison people's minds.
That's true.
Yeah.
That is sad. Please don't fall for nonsense, Badhujan. Please do your due diligence and checking and make sure that you stand up for what are values.
Yeah.
Right? इसी के साथ हम आपको बोलेंगे गुड नाइट,
बखैर।
शब खैर. फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते tomorrow morning right here on Good Morning Day.
Mwah.
अलविदा दर्द को दिल में रहने दो, जो खौफ है आंखों से कहने दो, दुख की नदी चुपचाप बहने दो, जो कहना है तुम धीरे से कह